Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to edit our Bitmoji on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit the Bitmoji on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to log into the account on which you want to edit your Bitmoji. And from over here guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is your Bitmoji icon or your Snapchat profile picture. Tap on there. Now in order to edit your Bitmojis, you can do two types of editing. So in order to proceed guys, here you can see on this interface there is the gallery or the picture icon on your picture at the bottom right. Tap on that picture icon, and from over here you will be able to edit your backgrounds. You can see some of them are available and some of them are not. You can choose them. You can choose your poses over here, which kind of pose do you want, or let's just cancel it. And in order to edit your Bitmoji, and on the next editing, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and scroll down until you can find the Bitmoji option available just below the notifications. Tap on Bitmoji, and over here you can see the edit my Bitmoji at the bottom of the screen. There are three lists where it says that edit my Bitmoji. Tap on there and you will be able to edit your Bitmoji with all sorts of your preferences of hairstyles, your hair color, your hair treatment, facial hair. You can see facial hair color. You can see your paired earrings if you want any earrings. You can see all of these options available for you which you want to edit. So with that being said guys, this is how you edit your Bitmoji on Snapchat with your preferences, and go through all of these to find which one do you like. So with that being said, after you're choosing your preferences, tap on the save button at the top right corner of the screen, and your Bitmoji will be edited and saved according to your preference. And this is how to edit Bitmoji on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.